It's Dave. I'm back with a review of the AirSHIM Pro XL. This thing will lift 500 pounds. It's an inflatable pry bar and leveling tool. It makes really a lot of harder jobs easy. So here's your packaging. It'll come in that. It's up and down. I've got it inserted right there. Let's see what they say it'll do. It'll lift, shift, align, level, and plumb. Excuse me. It will 500-pound max load rating, no surface damage, expands up to 3 inches, and as small as, I think it's 3/32 of an inch. Hold on, let me check. Yeah, so 3/32 of an inch is all you need to get in there. So if you need to pry apart some like baseboard that's really fragile, you're not going to remanufacture it, stick it in there and pry it out. Anyways, this huge lifting surface is 5 1/4 by 10 3/4. You can see it's almost 11 inches long, and then it's wide. So this thing is really super cool. This is great for windows and doors. So if you're used to stepping on a pry bar and being worried about the finish of the floor when you're lifting up your doors, this is the way to go. If you install cabinets or windows, this will just be brilliant for you. So check this out. We've got a whole herd of kids, a couple upside down, and we've got our couch, our kids, and we've got the AirSHIM Pro XL. So, rubber bulb, squeeze it, see what it'll do.
I'm hanging on to the couch.
Oh my goodness, are you going to be okay?
I'm scared that...
I think you're all right. You got the AirSHIM Pro underneath you.
Oh,
there we go. We're lifting. We're floating.
Lift it up.
Well, hi. Oh, don't do that. They can't see if you put your hand in front of it. There we go. The AirSHIM Pro lifts my couch, my kids.
Okay, it's lifted.
There we go. How are we doing? We keep going. Let's see if we can keep going. Check that out.
There's only 2 kids on the couch.
I know, because they're playing. You want to squeeze it? What do you think, Rex? All right, so does this thing work?
I'm scared. My bad.
You're scared?
I'm scared.
Oh, yeah. Rex is still squeezing it. Let's see if it'll go higher. Yeah, hold on a second. Let's get that away. And then, so the bulb, you just squeeze it up. Yeah, that's so fun. I love it. And then here's the bleed valve. Yeah. Can you get it? This is so easy. A 4-year-old can do it. Well, maybe not. Squeeze hard. This is a forearm trainer, ladies.
I'm trying to.
You'll be pro rock climbers by the end of the week if you use this.
Can I try?
Well, of course you can try. Come on. Well, I can tell you this. AirSHIM Pro. It works.
Okay, let me see.
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very nice. All right. Now, let's see if we can... Oh, you got it? All right, so the AirSHIM Pro does in fact work. It's kind of cool. That's pretty neat stuff, huh?
You're jangling up a kid.
I think you're going to be okay. Are you going to be okay? Oh, I like your style. Little foot inflate. Well, thanks for the hug. That's nice. All right, let's wrap this video up. This is getting really long. And so here we go. Let's see if it'll deflate. Just push this button right here. And slow or fast.
Can I try that?
Yeah.
That's
So there you go.
the fastest thing that has
AirSHIM Pro XL. It'll lift 500 pounds or 4 kids in a couch. No damage to any surface. Not worried about the carpet.
Well, 2 4-year-olds.
Not worried about the 4-year-olds.
A 6-year-old and an 8-year-old.
All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. This is Dave. I'll be back with another review soon. If you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell your friends with awesome new products.
I'm so scared.
You what? You have a fabulous dress on.